Hi, so I'm sharing a look with you guys at the Superior Labor Canvas Mission Case. And I'm going to share with you a closer look at my medium, but I want to show you the large as well. And that watch for, I have an upcoming video kind of just showing the differences and what items they hold. Today I'm going to give you another look at the medium one and another set of options that I have inside mine. They both have the cute little handle, which is a nice little added touch. I'm going to go ahead and link my prior video that I shared what I was carrying in that one also, and there will be a link at the end of the video. Hi, Tommy. To that video as well, so in the description and at the end. So this is the medium, and in mine right now I'm keeping my Hobonichi Han and my Hobonichi Weeks. Now the Hobonichi Weeks is a nice little snug fit, so I want you to know that, and I certainly don't want you to go into it thinking it's a great easy fit. Now with the Hobonichi clear cover, it does not want to fit at all. As much as I like having it on, I'm fine with it, the clear cover off as well. Hey, can you keep moving through there, partner? Okay, and so I want you to see what it holds, because before I shared it with the Moleskine and some other items. So this is what I'm wanting to carry in it right now. And also, oh, well, let me introduce myself. I apologize. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is a Peach Life YouTube. And this is a look at the Canvas Mission Case in medium and how I have mine set up. So again, I have the Han in here, no cover, the Hobonichi Weeks, which is a nice little fit, but it does work nice and easily. I usually just have to tuck a corner in. And then I'm not utilizing the pen pouch, which you can see here. I feel like when I do, it's a little bulky when I set my items on top. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this for you guys. Wow, that Thomas has really got himself right in here. So let me zoom in here and give you that closer look. Here it is when I tuck in the Hobonichi Weeks. Every time I have to kind of give that little tuck in, but I'm thankful it fits. And then again, the pen pouch, which it holds regular size fountain pens and such, along with the shorter. And I find that my shorter ones tuck really nice here in the little underneath the corner pocket, along with my little zip pouch to hold the little Kita brand by King Jim. King Jim is the brand, and it's Kita washi tapes. I've shared many times how I take a couple of each out and I carry those on the go with me. And then some scissors. Oops. Some nice little portable scissors. Let's see if we could see that there. The brand. No, I cannot get that into view for you guys. All right. Well, I can link that in the description, or if you want to know what that is, just let me know. There's a little leather pocket here, and I have a couple different fountain pens in those, along with just like a nice little thin ruler. And then here in this little lip area, I just have a nice little black wing pencil. And then back here, I have a few little items, the little mini art toolkit water palette, some little Post-it type things by Hobonichi, some Post-its, little thing of Post-its. I just have that tucked in there. In these pockets, same here. This is also by, there we go. These are the same brand. King Jim makes these, but what is this? It says something different. Well, I'm pretty sure these are by King Jim still. This might be what they're called. Just some few things, a little clip. And then there's a back pocket here that has just some little information, a little sticker book, things like that. Just a little bit of this and that. Okay, I know I have shared before the reason why I really wanted this was for traveling, because I can work right from the little organizer without worrying about my items sort of falling or slipping off the table. Even if I was to go to like a little cafe or such, I can work right out of this little case. Same if I have this in here. I find that I can still just set this on top and completely work from this contained little case. There's other things that are similar or that could work. I just like that nothing is going to roll away or take off on me and still give me a pretty nice level surface and to utilize my things. Now, you can put your pins in here and it does work and everything does close nicely. I just don't like that bulk underneath there, because I do like to work right here from my little organizer case, the little canvas mission case, and write and do what I need to, and I don't have to worry about my other items sort of rolling off or taking off. So that's how I'm utilizing the little canvas, sorry, it's not little, it's medium, the medium-sized canvas mission case. And they have the dimensions as 21 by 11 by 5.5 centimeters. So that's all in centimeters, those numbers are. And, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that back in there and close it up. Now, oh, I do want to show one more little thing. You can, let me unzip that. You can add these little items that are kind of falling around right in here into the little zip pocket, which I do at times, and I kind of just tuck them here and utilizing them. But you can see that closes up nice. You don't have to worry about them falling about, and you can still zip that up nice. You want to make sure you're not getting like this, your little Hobonichi guys stuck in there, the strings. There we go. I want to make sure I always fold those nicely so they don't get stuck and mess up my zipper in any way. Okay, this is actually not overstuffed. It could hold lots more. It's pretty roomy. It's not squished. It's not over bulking where anything's like protruding. So, hey little buddy. So that is another look in the Mission Medium Canvas Case by the Superior Labor. So I wanted to show you that because I know I set it up another little more simplified way. And again, that link is in the description for you guys. And I'll have it right here coming up at the end of this video, right here to click for you. So if you have any questions or you want a closer look at something or some info, just leave me a message in the comments. If you like the little video, give it a little click and like. And let me know if you have used this one, if you're loving it, or if you have something else that you love even more. That would be great to know about. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again on the next video.